Look at this guy. Look at this guy. I'll get back to y'all in a little bit, man.
Yes! Big round of applause! Big round of applause!
Y'all see what it is. Got it written across my chest. I got it written on my truck. You already know what it is. Stop playing with me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Before I do anything else, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, bing, ring that bell, bing, ring that bell, bing, until it blows your head off. You see the truck? I got a detail truck right here behind me, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna go outside here. I got a few errands I gotta run today. I'm finna go outside here, made off some packs, you know what I'm saying, to a few of my customers up out here who ordering the detailer, you know what I'm saying? You see what it is. I got packs going everywhere. I got packs going everywhere. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm gonna go outside here. I'm gonna mail off these packs. Then I gotta go up out here to Richardson, to my boy Jay, the A to Z Wraps. He finna come in and install my halos inside the truck. So I'm gonna do my halos inside here. I'm gonna do my halos. Boom right here, boom right here. New fog lights coming in, you know what I'm saying? Got them coming in. I got the new Grille lights. They already here. He gonna install those. Then I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna have him install my rock lights. So I'm dropping off the truck with Jay today up here at A to Z Wraps. He gonna do all that right there for him. I think he gonna need it for about probably like 2 or 3 days. About 2 or 3 days. That's cool with me. I'm gonna keep on working. Hey, but this detailer truck, it's gonna keep getting modded. Feel me? Let me go outside here and keep on. I ain't gotta keep talking. I'm gonna go outside here and make off these packs, and I have time when I get back. Woo! Okay, so your boy just made it back out of the post office. Man, I can't stand the post office, bro. I can't stand the post office. Like, they always want to make shit hard, bro. Like, yo, I'm just trying to get this, mail it off. They want to come in and say, oh, well, you can't mail this right here out because the package don't match this, and then the package. It's like, bro, how many? And then when you get the other package, the box still look the damn same. And then when you try to get, come on, babe. She ain't paying attention. And then whenever you get the right kind of the box, you gotta repackage everything. So then when you repackage everything, you gotta use a specific kind of tape. And if the tape ain't right, then you gotta start all over. I'm like, bro, y'all do this shit. I ain't gonna no training on to see what kind of package I'm supposed to be using to mail it. Hey, just mail off my packs, bro. Just mail off my packs, bro. I need my customers to get their packs. Stop playing with me, bro. Damn. Can't stand the post office, bro. Then, and then if it's off by the weight, they want to say, oh, well, you gotta pay more postage for like a little bit of weight, like that much of what kind. Come on, bro. Just mail this shit off, bro. It ain't even your boxes, bro. Damn. Anyway, man, I forgot I gotta head up here to the dealership. To the Chevy dealership, because I need to get me a new key. I need to get me a new key fob for the truck, because this key fob, the key fob I got right now is out of there. This key fob is out of there. Excuse me for all the shakeage. You know what I'm saying? I'm driving inside the big body truck. You know what I'm saying? I'm just driving inside the detailer truck. But yeah, man, I gotta go up here to the dealership, because my cousin and wife work up there, so I'm finna go ahead and get that discount. That nice little discount. Feel me? 50% off, 60% off, I need that, want that, gotta have that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get the new key. So I'm gonna say, I went to the post office, going to get a new key fob, head up out here to Richardson, to my boy Jay, with A to Z Wraps, you know what I'm saying? So he can, I can drop off the detailer truck, so he can install the pretties for my lights, the oracles. And basically, they're gonna be able to turn to red, green, yellow, pink, blue, whatever color I want it to be inside my lights, man. And for the fog lights. And he's gonna install my rock lights. And he's gonna install my Grille lights. So it's gonna be stupid McNuba, man. So keep on saying, got kids about. I'm gonna tell you somewhere. Okay, guys, what's up with it? We up here at Freedom Chevrolet. Ain't gonna give me a new key fob. This thing is out of there. Out of there. I need a new key fob. Oh, I'm doing YouTube.
That's why I moved.
And I need a new key.
So I don't know about the key. You have to use my biz key.
Okay, no, that's cool. I just do a key file. Yeah. Hold this, babe. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just made it to A to Z Wraps.
Fog lights.
They did custom fog lights.
Fog lights.
And that's gonna be
Use
like
the
just
headlight?
for the engine, kind of like. I really want it just for the grill though, bro.
Inside the grill?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can make
So you see
that.
what I'm saying? We're like kind of like go behind this basically. So
Yeah.
then like it's like illuminating the red.
Yeah, and then as far as the headlights, I remember you wanted something done to the headlights.
Yeah, the Oracle's going inside here.
Which one's that?
It's gonna be this one right here.
This one? Okay. Alright, gotcha. And then you wanted the housing black, right?
The housing black.
Yeah, instead of the tint on the headlight. Instead of having the face tinted, the inside black, so you don't lose the light output.
Oh, can you do that?
Yes, we gotta open it up anyway.
Okay.
That's what people do when you open it up. This way you're not losing light output. You just paint the inside black.
Okay, well, cool. Yeah, that's cool.
Not the lens, the actual inside of the light.
Okay, cool. Well, you know, I need to find out. I need to get some brighter
Well, no,
light bulbs.
when you got them tinted this dark, you're not gonna see crap.
Damn.
This is how it is. If you tint them, that's why you do that's why you paint the inside,
Okay.
so you don't have to tint the housing. So this is like the easy way of blacking out the headlight.
Okay.
The right way is to open them up, you know, when you're getting the lights installed or whatever, and paint the inside black.
Ah. Okay. What should I need to do? I need to do that.
Yeah, if you wanna see it at night, I recommend it.
I mean, yeah, cause it'd be hard to see. I mean,
Yeah, I can imagine, because when we do the lightest shade, it's hard to see, and this is the dark shade. So you
yeah,
probably
yeah,
can't see
it's the
shit.
dark side. Yeah,
You can't see anything at night.
yeah.
Yeah.
I was
I
like-
never recommend the dark shade because it's at nighttime it's rough. I don't know how you've been driving it at night. Crazy.
Shit, I just thought I was shit. I don't know. I was like, fuck, maybe I just need to get some new light bulbs then.
No, it's when you got them tinted that dark. There's no light you can put in there that'll give you some decent output. So pull that off, paint the inside of the housing, and then it'll look.
Cause
good.
how's yours?
So mine, I got the lightest tint on mine. I haven't
Okay.
opened them up yet. See, this is the lightest shade, and it's still dark.
Damn.
Like this is still too much. I'm
And
still,
I see you kind of like went darker, like around that.
yeah, just the chrome parts. But this is still too dark. I got to get to opening them up, painting the housing, and all that.
So when you do that, you're gonna take the tint off or something,
Yeah,
or what?
the tint comes off completely, and it looks black because all the inside plastic instead of chrome is all black.
Okay, so you're gonna take this tint right here off,
Yeah.
but it's gonna still look.
The side can stay so you cover the amber,
Okay.
but all this has to come off.
But it's gonna still look black though, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's the like, the proper way of doing it. It's a lot more work, but
Okay.
at least you can see at night.
Yeah. Well, yeah. If that's what
I
needs to
can
be
imagine,
done.
but mine with that light shade, I can barely see anything. At the dark, it's probably even pointless to have the lights.
Yeah, definitely is.
Yeah.
Okay, well, shit. And then what about the fog lights? You see, you got water, so I thought those definitely need to be done.
Aren't those? Did you say you got new fog lights?
Yeah.
So if they're aftermarket, those I won't open. Those will be on you.
They right here.
Aftermarket lights, I don't like opening them up because
Okay.
you never know how they're gonna reseal.
Okay.
Yeah, see these we could tint if you want them tinted because
Okay.
you're not depending on your fog lights for light output.
Okay.
So we can definitely do these, but I don't recommend opening them up because
Okay,
they're probably
cool.
not gonna seal right.
Well, then, I ain't gonna do it then.
Yeah, but this we could throw a light tint on top.
Okay. Well, yeah, then let's do that.
Yeah.
And then you say that, and then the rock lights and everything will be straight. I
Yeah.
don't need nothing else like extra, nothing, do
No, you shouldn't. I think you got everything.
I? Okay.
Yeah, I think you got everything.
For the headlights, yeah.
So yours should have it. Usually when they have this module, it gives you different options of like, effects and colors and everything. So
I'll be able to do that shit?
I think so, yeah. Because Oracle, I know, is one of the best. They're one of the top brands for automotive lighting right now. So I'm pretty sure this is preset with all the different effects.
And so would I just be able to change inside my the
It's
app
either-
when I
yeah.
download the app or whatever?
Some of them have. You see how some of them have like
That
a
remote?
little remote.
Yeah.
This one I'm pretty sure is an app. This one I'm pretty sure is an app. Once we get to installing it and opening everything up, we'll know.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure this one's an app. And their app is a lot better than most of the ones you've seen.
Okay.
Like that you see people use. It's like a really technical app. So
Okay, cool.
it usually gives you a lot of options and everything.
And I try to make sure everything is like with the rock lights too. They can change colors. The headlights can change
the
colors.
rock lights, you went with RGB or white?
Nah, it's the RGB. Like I said, it can
RGB,
change colors
yeah.
to whatever I want it to be.
Do you know if it's RGBW?
Shit, I don't know.
Because RGBW is, RGB plus they have an independent white light, so you get a really natural white.
I don't even know, bro. I haven't even. You see, I haven't even opened it yet.
Yeah. I think you got RGBW.
As soon as everything came in, I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just leave it here and just wait till I'm ready to drop it off.
Oh, you know what? No, it's RGB. So you can still do white. You see right here, they're 3, not 4. You can still do white, but the way it makes white with an RGB light is it lights all of them up and it glows white. But it's never like a true white like they would if it had the 4th one, which would be W, which would be like the independent white light. But you can still do white with this one. It'll look good.
Okay.
And like I said, Oracle's a badass brand, so I'm sure they're not going to put out some crap that, is
Yeah.
badass, so.
See, I really just wanted it to be red anyway.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
so
and
when
then
this
you can,
parked,
I'm sure,
it could be
I'm
like,
sure
you know
it'll
what I'm
have like pulsing options and all that.
Oh,
but
hell
it's
yeah.
not just a solid red. Yeah,
Hell
this one
yeah.
has a remote. It probably has an app too, but this one's got a remote.
saying? Okay.
Yep.
Damn, niggas, you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, brother.
We got Miles in the building. You know what I'm saying?
Right here, man.
Ah.
Oh, you just got the shirt?
Yeah, bro. You know what's crazy? I literally just had this shit on like the other day, and I was like, damn, I should wear this shit today.
I was watching I like the tags, bro. I need to. Don't worry about it.
See, like who?
The tag. I'm gonna get my stuff put together.
What tag?
The details, bro. That.
Oh yeah.
It just.
It makes it official,
It
bro.
make a difference,
Yeah. He's talking about that tag right there. Yeah.
Bro, I'm telling you, I did not. I'm not fucking
Are you on the phone?
game. Yeah.
Yeah, so what's good, man? Your boy up here. What you want? Up here at J Shop. You know what I'm saying? A to Z Raps. Dropping off the truck. Dropping off the tree nut. You know what I'm saying? If we get the oracles installed, he gonna need it for probably about 2 or 3 days. Like I said, we're gonna get the headlights done, the grill lights done, the rock lights done, and the tailgate lamp done. All those lights, everything Oracle, everything RGB. I just gonna be able to change colors, remote control, Bluetooth, all that, whatever. It's gonna be done, son. New fog lights, done, son. Custom fog lights, done, son. All these mods up on the truck, man, you know what I'm saying? On the detail of the truck, it has to be done, man. It has to be done. It's gonna bring everything together. So, the boy Mazda done pulled up on me here on the phone trying to talk all sexy and shit, you know what I'm saying? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. I'll get back to y'all in a little bit, man.
Okay, guys, so as you see, your boy just went up here. I went to go meet off the packs today. I went to what else did I go do today, guys? I forgot. I went up to the dealership and got me a new key made for my truck and a new key fob. I needed to get that done because the other key was out of there. It wasn't even working anymore. Then I went up there, spoke to my boy Jay, dropped off the truck for to get the halos put in, the rock lights put in, the grill lights installed, and the tailgate light installed up underneath the tailgate. So I got all that, dropped it off with my boy Jay up there at A to Z Raps. We get that thing done, son. It should be done at least by like Wednesday or Thursday. I can't wait to show y'all that, man. So I'm going all the way up 2021, man. All the way up. I'm not stopping. I'm going to stay in your face, and I'm going to stay on your neck like that with the detailer truck. We're going to keep going all the way up. Yeah, that energy just came out of nowhere. I don't know where it came from, but you know I always got it. You know I always got it. Man, I appreciate y'all for sticking in with me, watching these videos, supporting, getting these cars detailed, buying the merch. If you want any of this merch, man, make sure you go shop thedetailerlife.com. Go shop thedetailerlife.com. Make sure you go follow me on all platforms. On Instagram, you got Carters_car_care. That's the mobile detailing page. Okay, for the clothes, the_detailer_life. That's for the clothes. For the truck, the_detailer_truck. That's for the truck. And then on YouTube, you already know, the Detail Life. Go like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, bing, ring that bell, bing, ring that bell, bing, until that blows your head back. Yes, sir. Until next time, I holler at y'all. I love you. You can't do nothing about it. You can't do nothing about it. I love you. I love you. I love you.